On today's episode, we're going to go over the BMW Quick Access Toolbar and how that simplifies navigating your home screen. So navigating your Quick Access Toolbar, by pushing forward, we'll bring it up, and then scrolling left and right will help you access all of it. And then pushing down on the iDrive control knob will select anything you want to select. By pushing the iDrive control knob forward, it'll bring up that Quick Access Toolbar. Some of the features that are in here, your Adjust Main Menu, which that will help redesign the main menu whenever you start the car to show what you would like it to show. Your Recent Destinations is a list of every place you've been to recently. You need to re-navigate to there again. Your Recent Calls is going to be a list of anybody you've called recently. Your notification is going to be anything your car wants you to know, whether it's car notifications or notifications on your phone like emails and text messages. Help is a quick shortcut to your onboard owner's manual that's built into the iDrive system. Your displays will help change the brightness of your main screen as well as your height and rotation of your heads-up display. Valet Parking will lock out any personal information if you do decide to valet the car. And Screen Off will turn the screen completely off to assist with driving during the night.